Hello friends. So in this video we are going to do some touch up and we are going to change this menu and we have to add some conditions in menu. So first of all I am going to do here order now. When we do add to cart, so after add to cart we need to forward on view cart. So we have to open this page, put description.php. Here after alert we have to write window.location is equal to viewcart.php. Let's check. Yeah, so we are here. Now we have to set here any one option as a by default. So we are going to set this cash on delivery by default. So we have to open view cart. Here is the to radio. Here I am going to do check the. So now this is the by default. I am going to do proceed to checkout. Here in password is visible. So we need to use input type password in login.php. Here input type password. We don't need to change anything in code. Code will remain same. So now, yeah, it's hidden. Now in register, we have to check. Yeah, register, it's fine. Now we need to display here whatever item in cart. So we have to change the code over there. This is the header file. So in header file, we need to copy one code from view cart. So in view cart, you can find these things. Load cart data. I'm going to copy this. And in header, we are going to paste. So in header paste, and we are going to change the name load cart data to. Now in top here, load cart data too. So now how many items in cart we can see over here. Let me check how many items in cart. In cart we have item. So why we cannot see? Let's check. Okay. We need to start session, that's why. So here we have to write the conditions. If we have to check that if session is already start, then we don't need to write this session start. Okay, so we have these things. Now we have to give link. When we click on it, it should be forward on view cart page. So here view cart.php. Now let's check. Yeah. So now it's fine. Now we need to change this menu. So here in this menu, first of all, we have this home page. So here I am going to write index.php. In home we have child, so we don't need child over there. So let me copy this li and we are going to paste here. Now here we are going to write home. Here we are going to write index.php. Then we will create one page with name gallery. For that we are going to use gallery.php. Then we will create content.php. Now this is the drop down menu. So here we are going to write user, and here we have to set yes sign. So this menu will be work after login. So inside the UL, we will create this li, then a login.php, then register.php, edit profile. Yeah, now copy, paste, copy, paste, and from here we are going to remove. Okay, edit profile. Here we will give the name edit profile.php, then change password. View order. It means user can see their own order. View my order.php, and then we are going to create page logout. We don't need this menu, so I am going to delete this. Now here we have to write the conditions. We write the condition that there is no value in session. It means user is not logged in. If user is not logged in, then we have to display this. Now if is set dot underscore session user underscore username, it means user is logged in. Then we have to display this menu. Let's check. Okay. User is not loading. That's why we can see this login and register. If user is login, like then here you can see menu is changed. Edit profile, change password, view order, and logout. Currently we don't have this logout page. So let me create the logout page. Window.location is equal to index.php. Now let's check. Let me log out. Yeah, now we logged out, and now we can see login and register. But we need to create some more pages over here, like user can, yeah, view my order page. We have to create Then we have to create edit profile, we have to create change password, view my order. This 3 page we have to create on user side. Then user side will be complete, and then we have to display this order and etc on admin side. So I hope you like this video, and please perform these things because this is the most important in this project. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like my video, please like it and share it. Thanks.